My name is Tyler Johnson. I'm from Altamont, Missouri. Small community, 142 people in our thriving metropolis. In 1996, got in a severe car accident, fractured 2 vertebrae in my spine, herniated disc. And at that time, the doctors told me there wasn't a lot they could do a lot of physical therapy, exercise, it'll get better, and it did. But over the years, the pain in my back just kept continuing to get worse and worse and worse. About 4 or 5 years ago, the pain got so severe that I couldn't walk, I couldn't move, I couldn't get up to go to the bathroom. My right leg, my right foot went completely numb. And from that time to the time I seen my doctor to the time I got to see a neurosurgeon was 6 months. So 6 months I was in excruciating pain. My right leg was numb, my foot was numb, I couldn't work, I couldn't do anything. I went to see a neurosurgeon, and they wanted to shave the disc, do open back procedure, and shave the disc off my back. And I scheduled the surgery to do this. And I went back to talk to my neurologist. He asked me if I was in excruciating pain every day of my life. I told him no, that the pain would come and go. There'd be a good year and a half where I'd have no pain, and then something would happen. I'd be working, I'd twist, I'd turn, and then it'd be 6 months of pain. And he advised me not to get the surgery. And he told me if I got that disc shaved off now, with an open back procedure, it would take 1 year to 2 years, if to recover fully to where I could do what I do for a living. And I'm a boilermaker. I build power plants for a living, do a lot of heavy lifting, a lot of moving, a lot of tight confined spaces. So I decided not to do the surgery because he said later on, if that disc needs to be fused, there will be so much scar tissue in my back that the rate of actual recovery in my older years was slim to none. And so I canceled the surgery, and that was probably 4 or 5 years ago, and the pain has just gotten worse and worse and worse. And it had been about 4 months ago, my daughter jumped on me when I wasn't paying attention, and it just brought me to my knees. My whole right leg, my right foot, my back, everything is excruciating pain constantly. I knew I didn't want to do the traditional procedure of the spine surgery, either fusion or having that disc shaved off. So I just got on the internet, started looking around, found the Back Institute and Dr. Deesworth and Dr. Lombardi. I just had surgery yesterday. I'm up, I'm walking around, feeling good. I'm going to fly back to Kansas City here in about 4 hours, and hopefully I have my life back.